What's up? It's me again. Went to the swap meet the other day, picked up some cool stuff. Let's check it out. Got a 56 Mercury green with 2010. Not bad. Is the hood open? I don't know. Pretty cool. Look, plastic. Up next, got this 33 Roadster. White wall tires. Flat black paint. What does it say on there? A little black and red. That's cool. Check it. That's nice. Well, they got a metal plate on the bottom. Up next, I got an 80 Chevy El Camino Hot One. Nice. I traded him some Batmobiles. I'm not really into Batman, but if by chance he's watching, I got some more stuff for you. He likes this stuff. Anyway, next up, I got a 1940 Ford convertible for those cars of the 40s, or no, cars of the decades, whatever these are. I see them at Walmart all the time. That one's nice. I like the graphics on that. That's one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. Little tan interior. Nice. Next, this is a 67 Dodge Charger. Nice. What was that from? Hot Wheels Classics? What was it? Yeah, Hot Wheels Classics. Anybody have any of these? Series 4. Hot Wheels 40th anniversary. A whole bunch of them you can get. Anyway. Up next. Another Hot Wheels Classic. Plymouth Hemi Cuda. What is that? 68 Cuda. That was nice. Oh, parts logos on it. With those Eagle GT Goodyear tires on it. I like the hood, the black on the hood. Nice. Next up, a little Ford Thunderbolt 64. Another Hot Wheels Classic, whatever that means, I don't know. Brown flames. Also got the Goodyear tires on it. Awesome. I like Ford. I like Ford, Chevy, Dodge. I like them all. Next up, what was this? Since 68. 67 Camaro. Hood open. Nice. I like the racing stripes on there. Red line tires. Old school Hot Wheels. Last but not least, got this. This is La Troca. This is a 4950 Chevy. With Cruising America Hot Wheels. Pretty nice. have to get the scissors for this. I must not want you to open this one. That is nice. I like the wheels. The flames, green. And the skirt there on the back. Beautiful. And I went to Target. They had on clearance this 6-pack of Hot Ones. Had this, this 34 Ford, I think it was a 65 Mustang convertible, Volkswagen Beetle. What else is in there? 40, one of the little fat fender 40s, and another 40 Woody on there. All of them were fine except for this. Look at it. Axles aren't in place. No way, I'll fix it. Other than that, the rest of them fine. There's a stretch rod. If anybody was looking at that. M2. Yeah, this was my swap meet. I had a good day. Good looking cars. Later.